Hey guys, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very quick and concise review for you guys on whether or not this new Benefit Hoola Glow bronzer is worth purchasing or not. I'm actually a really big fan of the original Hoola shade, so I'm going to be comparing the two of them together to see whether or not the Glow product is actually worth buying. There's quite a few differences between them, and there's also some similarities, so let's get right on into it. The first thing I want to mention are the similarities. Now, the similarities between the two of them, they are both 8 grams of product. They are both 30 American dollars or 40 Canadian dollars. They're both available at Sephora, Sephora Canada, Benefit Cosmetics website, and both of them do come with this little brush that you see here. Now, these are brushes that, you know, they're nice to have in a little pinch, but to be honest with you, it's not a brush that I typically use, so I end up just throwing these away. The only difference between this brush and the brush that comes with the original Hoola is just that there's a really beautiful sparkle detail on this brush for the Hoola Glow, but the other one is just a solid color. Packaging between the two of them is very, very similar. You can see that we've got the Hoola Glow here with the really cool neon glow sign. Now this is just a little bit deeper than the original, which I'll show you right here. So you can see also that the package is a little bit deeper purple, extremely similar outer packaging, of course, with that glow detailing added for the new product. Initially, when the promotion came for this new Hoola Glow product, I actually thought that Benefit was actually starting a highlighter line under the Hoola name, but then it made a lot more sense what they were doing with this one, which is essentially adding a shimmer component or a glowy component to their best-selling Hoola bronzer. So this is actually, in my opinion, a very interesting concept. I am someone that loves glowy products. I love glowy skin and that really nice, like, fresh, dewy look. So Glow was right up my alley to test out for you guys. As you can see here, I'm applying this to my cheek with my Marc Jacobs The Bronze brush. This is a really big, fluffy brush, and I do this on purpose because I do want the bronzer to look soft and diffused, and right away I can tell that it's blending into the skin really beautifully, but the first thing I notice immediately is that it's actually quite a bit warmer than the original Hoola bronzer. So the original Hoola that I am used to is definitely a lot more cooler, and of course it is fully matte. It doesn't have that shimmer component like this new one does. So this new Glow product, when it translates on the skin, you guys, I was worried about the shimmer being really, really loud or especially visible on the skin. If somebody wears a bronzer and there's shimmer on the cheek itself, that's the first thing that I see when I look at someone's face. I personally like shimmer that's diffused, that's super fine, that just is a glow versus actual sparkle. And this, you guys, does just that. So as you can see on my skin, I'm wearing this and it does look super glowy. It does not look shimmery whatsoever. So that is also a huge win. We have the Hoola Glow product and we have the original Hoola on this side. So if you look at them really fast, you can tell that it doesn't really seem like there's much of a difference. However, here are the swatches and I'll show you guys there's actually quite a big difference between them. Hoola Glow is on the left and the original Hoola is on the right. Definitely a lot warmer with the Hoola Glow, and you can see those shimmer particles because I've got my bright lights on the swatch. I've also swatched this fairly heavily as well, which I don't think you would do like a straight bronze streak on your face. So you can actually see that golden shimmer. This is super, super fine shimmer though. It's definitely diffused beautifully. It has all glow and no sparkle, and this is definitely a product that I think people are going to love. Here is the thing though, if you happen to be more fair or have lighter complexion, then I do think there may be a few of you that will actually think that this bronzer is a bit too dark. So the people that really like Hoola Light, for instance, that's even lighter than the original, this is going to be a tougher one to pull off simply because of how deep it actually is. So just kind of a keep in mind for that. If you do see it in store, maybe swatch it if you can. But I definitely think that is something to consider if you do happen to be quite fair. All in all, I am personally pretty pumped about this one. I will be using it a ton. I do think it's definitely a good addition to my collection, given that I am someone that loves glow, but I also really love the OG. So I'm gonna use both of them depending on my mood for the day, what makeup I want to wear. But if you just want that matte look with no shimmer whatsoever, then I definitely think the original Hoola will still be your preferred bronzer. Hopefully this quick review was helpful in order to make a decision or not whether you think this will be worth purchasing for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And until my next one, guys, take care and stay safe. Bye, guys.